Susanna? Yes. I want her. Yes, she's raw, but she's real. I need volunteers. So if she's willing to do it, then I'm okay with it. I just need to do an interview with her and explain to her what I want. No, she is perfect. Her experience will be a guide for all of those young ladies. Not many women are able to go through what she did and speak so candidly about it. Susanna, Suzanne, just make the link, okay? Thank you. Mr. Daly, what are you doing here?
So we're operating strictly on formalities now.
Would you like to come inside, sir?
As a matter of fact, I would. I feel like one of your patients.
There are cameras in the hallway. This is your building. Shouldn't you know that?
I'm well aware of that.
What are you doing here, Everton?
Well, I came by to find out how the program is going.
Well, it's going well. You could have called.
Call? Call who? Certainly not you. You haven't been taking any of my phone call or responding to any of my messages.
Well, I've been really busy.
You weren't too busy before.
You know my life is structured, right? Everything is planned and premeditated.
I guess you're saying I'm no longer a part of your plans.
Which had nothing to do with me.
You know what's funny? You pretending to believe in second chances. You're willing to give everybody else a second chance, except me.
I don't pretend to believe in second chances, Everton. I do believe in it. However, I also believe in self-preservation. and protecting my peace of mind.
And what? You're protecting your peace of mind from me?
I'm just protecting myself generally. I'm sure you know this, but there are people depending on my mental stability. I have to ensure that I'm my best self 90% of the time.
You do know that I'm one of the persons who depend on your mental stability.
Look at the irony. You're the same one who took it for granted.
I really want to prove to you that things are different now.
I'm sure it is.
And you don't care to know how different?
As long as you know that it has to be from a friendly place. Nothing intimate.
I understand. I sent you some information the other day, but you didn't respond it.
It was a lot, Everton. But I did look at them, and I saw where the public is questioning whether your administration is going to be sending home doctors at the request of the US. Cuban doctors.
You see, that's the problem. People read and they just generally don't understand. We have been using these Cuban doctors for years, especially at the KPH. And we still continue to do so.
I know, but are they being treated well?
Absolutely. They are treated within the labor laws and benefits just like any other Jamaican worker.
Well, continue to do your part, and the naysayers will ultimately see what you're trying to do.
Yes, but it's not easy when you have an opposition who is willing to spread propaganda and lies.
Everton, it's an election year. Both parties do this. And don't pretend that your party is innocent in all of this.
I can speak for my party. Crime is down by 30%. And the data is there to show.
But police killings have escalated. And that's something we can't ignore. We can't substitute the legal guns for illegal ones. Are you okay?
Yes. It's just that you said we.
I did?
It's like old times. That's how you spoke.
It's just a force of habit, I guess.
You were always impartial. That's what I loved about you.
You know I don't speak party. I speak policy. The best for the country.
I know. I just want you to know that this initiative with the police is a result of the agency.
What? You mean the same agency that came after you?
Yes, they have deployed a group of mercenary police that's responsible for all you hear going on.
Are you serious? You people need to do something about them. Shut them down for good.
We've been trying to gather enough evidence to put them away for good, but it's been challenging.
I really hope you guys get what you need to shut down this criminal agency. They're too much.
This is why I want you back close to me. Because I get the feeling that they might just target you.
So, is this what your visit was all about?
What do you mean?
You creating stories so that we can get back together?
Vanessa, they used you to get to me. Why wouldn't they do it again?
Because we're no longer together, Everton. And why are you so bent on believing that it had anything to do with me?
Can I ask you something? Who do you visit in the Jacksontown area?
What? You're joking, right? Are you still following me?
I am not following you, Vanessa.
Not you. But it's obvious. You have someone doing it for you.
You know, the last time I came here, I'm certain I saw a young man that I'm sure worked for the agency.
Really now?
Do you know a young man by the name of Whisper?
Never heard of him.
What about Christopher?
I know many Christophers.
Vanessa, I know you think I'm just saying this because I have an ulterior motive. But I really don't want to see you get hurt.
Then you wouldn't have alienated me for months. Everton? Please, I have things to do, okay?
You might want to look at those. If you're friends with any of the three persons, you might be getting played.
I know who played me, Everton. And I know who won't be playing me again.
After all I've done for you, I'm the one you doubt.
So yeah, did. So anything?
Yes, man. You didn't check online to see.
Check it, man. I see it, man.
Tell you what. I want you to find out exactly where in Jacksontown she goes.
I want different money that you know.
Yeah.
Don't send her the picture them already, you know, and tell her which part and which part you go already, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, say, if you do that now, more butter, oil, cholesterol, do you do?
Yeah. I'll deal with it. But I need you to pay them a visit. And scare them a bit.
Scare them. Make sure I scare them crew you attack, cause a different food that again.
I'll take care of it. Just please, as quiet as possible.
No say nothing. Like a man you can't talk.
Alright. Oh, and the next thing. You're not going to tell me where Siva is.
Brother, I want different money that again, man. I want man your ATM machine or something. Just do what you do now, man. Make us just get this thing sorted out.
Alright, just take care of what I ask you to take care of. Here.
See, alright, you see me?
Jesus Christ!
Are we in there? I'm here, also?
Danny, what are you doing here?
No, you say you want to talk to me, but not on the phone. Well, see me here.
But you never have to sneak up on me, so. Suppose me drop down in here.
Sneak. Me just walk up to the vehicle, open the door, and sit down.
Me lock the car before me go in the pharmacy. So how you open it?
Well, I saw your mama say she'd lock her room. But see ya? Simple means say anything we lock, can hop in.
Daddy, you have to stop them some here.
So tell me sitting. You're sick?
Sick? No? Why you ask?
I true me see you come from out of pharmacy with description there and
No, Daddy. I'm not sick. This is somebody.
Yeah, Marcus. How you doing? Yeah, man. You see, the person, I have no clue who that person is. You got the videos that I sent you, right? That's what I'm referring to. Even the spot where they're meeting, shady, very, very shady place. You want me to do what? Remember, no, Marcus, this was never a part of the plan, yeah? Alright, no problem. Oh yeah, one more thing. So for the next couple of hours, let's say about 6 to 7 hours, you're not going to be able to get to me. I have something to sort out, and I'm not going to be reachable. But I will contact you as soon as possible. Alright? Cool.
So who's sick? Are the boy? For me know the little girl. For she a drink up for her leave her life tea, so me know say she alright.
You know, say someone more asking what I need. Why they sitting here over here and there? Something wrong?
Sultan, sitting a fi wrong for she come over there. Whisper say man fi keep her for about a week or so.
And him not telling you why?
Him no have to tell me why. She always welcome at me yard. Plus, Mildred Lily Grand boy there can keep him company.
Danny, you see something Anna want to tell me?
Me see things every day. You don't see things every day.
Danny, you know what me I talk about. You see nothing but that happened to Chris or to the baby?
Well, it depends on what you call bad.
Danny, stop playing difficult now.
Don't shout at me. You forget say you tell me say me no fi interfere in your life unless a life or death.
So you see anything that is life or death?
No pot seater.
But Sita. Daddy, where you get the name from?
No way. And this one nickname me make up for you.
You know, say you never called me that before. I hear voice in a Kev head. Are you in my ear?
Kev. And who name so? So watch your style now, family. Me use all I know them off my laptop and me look after a series of codes. See? That means as soon as it turn on, you can track it. And we get the feeling say, whosoever have it, I go try to turn it on today. It turned on 3 times last night. But them turn it off within 5 minutes. That means you test them a test. You get what I say? So you say as soon as it turn on today, I will find the location and we can get to it. Little miss, you have my backup today.
Alright, numbers.
Miss B and young Jenna, well, I don't know phone thing already. I want to give you phone thing. I want to go there on the road. Alright. All we have to do now is wait.
Danny, why you do this?
What me do?
Danny, me a big woman and me handle my personal life.
Okay. Me understood. Fully understood. But no say when your king catch in a fire and you want help, me might just be too busy. Yeah?
Me know say if you see anything life threatening, you gotta make me know. Until then, just please make me deal with my own problem them.
Alright, miss. Me hear you. Loud and clear. I'm gonna respect your wishes too. Remember say when you did inner...
Daddy, man know. When Denise the in a trouble with Fireman, I you help her out. But me and Denise.
You know say she did have one man, we have one girl. With time with Voodoo Dolly.
Yeah, you tell me all of the story them more than 3 times. She did have a man when he was shopping and they call him Spider-Man.
So the rest of the story there. You forget to me that if you clot him down, forget the spell off of him. Other part of the story there you remember.
Yes, Daddy, you did tell me. I also tell me say at one point you need things set him a foreigner.
Yes! Me say, me don't know if I the box. But the boy will start one piece of twanging like he come from America.
Daddy, I appreciate it, right? But me can't live my life where every single time something get difficult, you step in. Me handle this by myself.
Me know would I hear that. Why not just tell Whisper say you have somebody else in your life? Eh?
Nobody else in my life. Kev, I just my ex when I try help out.
Hey, this about without cheese. You know that you they mix up here, make you not hear certain things again.
Me never want hear nothing in the first place, Daddy. First of all, me better off without hear nothing.
So, you know why you give?
It's more like a curse. Me wait till I see something. You see something?
Not one god thing.
So, you see correspondent with woman?
Well, me did see one little maga picnic in my dream, but...
You did talk to him about it?
Patsy, and everything good for see, good for talk, you know.
Well, if it's not good for talk to Chris, then it don't good for talk to me. You know, some realize say I have a little bias towards Chris. And I mean, are your blood picnic?
Me blood. Me blood, me blood, me blood. Here you know. Look here. Me plan to chat to the boy when the time is right.
Well, when you talk to him, then you can come talk to me.
You know say that boy the way I fool on with. You know say him not right in my head though.
And that is why me I try help him so he can go back where I come from.
And you think say him just a go away so?
Yes. Cause I talk to him about it and I make sure say him taking medication, and as soon as him taking medication and him stable, he will be on the next flight out of this place.
Alright, Patricia.
And daddy, please stop talking to him in him head because you help mad him.
Me can't mad when mad already, you know. But my lips are sealed.
Kev is not a bad person.
No, him is a mad person.
Daddy!
Sorry. Hold on there. Laptop turn on.
Yeah, man. I know. As my start, somebody's here watching. So you what time?
Look at miss. Look out for that code here. I want the name follow through. You follow me, follow them.
Let me send you downtown. Track that.
Location. Town.
Alright. Down a town? Town beginner numbers. Which part exactly?
Waterfront.
You can't narrow it down a little more.
The closer you get, the more we can narrow it down, but you don't have to move now.
Alright. Whisper. We can move. Tony and we keep in touch.
Alright.
Mental disorder and something for make fun of.
Alright, Miss Ferguson, alright. You say you will deal with this yourself? May I give you space, make you deal with it, ma'am.
Thank you.
Well, I come good on a market here. Go get some things for the house.
I come look for you this weekend.
That would be nice for a change.
Danny, me I come choo this time.
How much time you hear that you know? If Hollow did a sell and me did a buy, would I reach?
Just kiss Auntie Mildred for me, please.
Cheer out. After me know your kiss. Listen, me kiss Mildred every night. After myself, me kiss her for. You have to kiss her for yourself when you come over there.
Well, just kiss her this one day to get up. I mean, please. Danny, you don't feel no way about what I said earlier, right?
Who, me? No, sir. Look here. Every somebody have a right to make their own decision, you know. And face the money live not now.
What that mean?
All time saying,
Danny, you sure you don't see nothing bad?
look here, Lily girl. You see me see anything dangerous towards you, the Lily girl or the boy, somebody jaw would have twist already.
Alright, good. That means that anything else can happen.
Then say young bud no know storm. Alright, miss. Hot seat.
Numbers, you alright?
Yeah, man. You can miss. It's anytime I'm active and I go in a deep mode, I some moving up. We still up on track. I see Miss Brissette them. I see.
How about we try another location? Let's go to Hagley Park Road, yes, this trip.
Well,
Our numbers?
location change.
Yes, numbers.
Miss Brissette, we have a small little issue now. The location change.
What?
Hagley Park Road, messing on now.
Hagley Park Road?
Yeah. Yeah, just swing round. Come here with the person left there so and drive down Hagley Park Road side.
Different location, Barty.
Yes, sir. Him said the signal will come from Hagley Park Road.
Alright, so I have to move to this now.
Numbers, a drop, you a drop?
Nah, man. Whosoever this is, I'm good enough.
This person is actually better than I thought. Alright, you catch the first two. Let's send this fool a little bit further. How about a trip to Ocherius? There we go. The mouse is on the run. Enjoy your trip to Ochi. Let's get to work.
Yeah?
Miss B, watch it there now.
What?
Yeah, they set a show. Something not going. I can't reach Ochi so fast.
Alright.
Alright.
Somebody a play with me. And whosoever it is, them good.
Oh, go on.
Numbers say the location change again to Ochi.
Ochi?
Somebody a play with me, yeah? Somebody a play with me. Cause how they move from one location to the next location so fast.
Town to Hagley Park to Ochi. Our numbers can't lock onto this.
Numbers good in a whisper. But remember, say you have people who are out there who are just as good or even better. And remember, say you have higher technology out there.
What are we going to do, boss? Let's drop for time. I feel like right now as I speak and then there, so after I run up and down, I try to crack the code.
Yes, sir. Sir, them hop up on a Maxwell Goose Chase. It's from town to Hagley Park Road, then to Ochi. Yes, sir, but okay. All right. Whisper. We're Patsy number.
Yeah, Miss B.
Ha! Look at that. Masterful. New time. I did this in less than 6 hours. I'm impressed by myself.
Ah. Yes, man. That can do, man. Alright. But that on it. Just send the number right away. Alright. Yo, Sam Mullins are one smart man, you know?
And what him say?
Look, miss, when we deal with it, you will know. Number. Alright. That is it.
Lovely. All right, let's do this.
You sure you want to do it, boy? See me over here, something. No, man, don't be so. You know what? Jesus. Jesus.
She is coming. She is coming. There's nobody there. There's nobody there. There's nobody there. There's nobody there.
Look, miss. My work here is done. So, now you're on the move again.
Alright, number.
Yeah, man. So, go and do your thing, you know. Everything alright with you?
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
How the football, everything good?
Everything good. Yeah.
Hear me, I say. I say, husband and wife thing between the two of you, you know. You have a look, you know, look at this. And worse, not two young people and have a set up and look at business and do your look at thing and really. You know where you do different.
Yeah, no.
You know? You see that? That means that there are no secrets between you, know. Are the right way to live. As an elder statesman, I tell you, the right thing. And you're a good young girl. So you deserve a good man in your life. And you look like a good youth.
Thanks, somebody.
Big up yourself, you know. You're a real G, you know. Young man. Movements again. Brought back. Top of the road.
Him have a point about it. You can't keep this bottle up inside you. You need to face him and say it to him.
Alright, Kev. Finish what you started. Just hit the key and get this over with.
Oi. Oi, boy.
Patsita, you're on your way, right? You soon be here? Alright, hurry up, please. Yeah, man, just hurry up and come, alright? Please. Please. Please.
Shit. Signal drop. T. Connect me to a Wi-Fi in our area. Yeah, no. Alright. Shepherd. 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 Keep quiet. Oh, don't press. Ease up your finger now.
How are you doing in the mouse?
Get up from round the laptop. No.
No. You can't come in my place and tell me to do the way you want me to do. Who are you?
I'm with a special unit, and I have reasons to believe that the laptop is for the government agency.
And my laptop this big, man.
You can prove that?
Yes. See the man right there, sir?
Go so.
See me there, sir? So somebody can tell me what going on, sir? Which round you do here?
3.
So the man outside now with the two?
Cam, I get them. It's Wagwan. Mega leaf.
Patsy, stay right there, son.